This is Airboxr. I'm giving it 4 out of 5 stars. Let me show you why. Let's get into the review. This is an interesting one. Airboxr.com, airboxr.com. It's basically like a business intelligence platform, so like a data analysis tool for consumer brands. So if you have a shop where you sell stuff or an app where you sell stuff direct to consumers, it helps you make decisions, I guess, based on the data that you have. Now for their pricing, they don't actually have it listed in their main header bar. I have to go to airboxr.com/pricing. I have to enter it myself in order to find pricing, which is a little weird, but it's also very expensive. $250 per month per store, and you get 10 reports for that. Let's see, so that's a 3 out of 3 for pricing. That's $249 right there, and it has no free tier, so not great on the pricing. But also, I don't want to criticize too harshly. Like that, I've never needed a high-level data analysis for a direct-to-consumer brand that I've owned. So maybe this is super useful stuff. I'm not entirely sure, but just from strictly a pricing standpoint from other no-code tools, it's expensive. I'm going to use their interactive product demo. It looks like they have a feed. You get reports in this little inbox system, and AI recommends specific things. So how to increase repeat purchases, for example. You have a marketplace of automated business reports, and I can actually go through that in a second. But overall, it just kind of looks like they have built-in data analysis automations. You can just connect to your store and it starts generating reports for you. Yeah, they've got like 120 different reports that you can just pop into your accounts. So you could like things that sync with Shopify, things that sync with Amazon. It looked like down below there were things that sync with TikTok. Okay, cool. So if you're doing some advanced work to really absolutely maximize how many sales that you are getting with an already productive online store, looks like that makes it pretty simple for you. But going through their demo and kind of their list of automations, it looks relatively easy to use. Like I'm going to say easy. Once you connect your like Shopify account, for example, it kind of just pulls all the data in and starts doing the data analysis for you. There's not really much you have to do beyond decide what you want to know about your data. So yeah, I'm going to give it 4 out of 5 stars. I wasn't overall like immensely impressed with everything. The cost was a little high for something that's just an AI tool. But if you need to make actions and you have a ton of data about your online store and how users are using it, seems like it might be a nice tool to try. They have a free 14-day trial, so maybe you can experiment and see if it's useful for you and your online store via that. But yeah, if you want to check out my list of 500 no-code tools that I am actively reviewing, like this one, you can go to beta.co. Thanks for watching.